So some new spares are here for the Shogun. Let's just open it. Came from this guy. So let's just open this and see what we have inside. And some of you guys have complained about the shaky camera. I'm sorry, I have ordered for a gimbal. It is yet to come. So till then, you'll have to bear with what we have. Okay, well packed. So this is the rear mudguard for Shogun. What else do we have? Okay, we bought stands. So I'll just do the unpacking quickly. So it's really convenient that these things reach home, because I don't have to go all the way to the shop. That consumes a lot of fuel and my time. So it's a good thing that all this arrived. So this is a mudguard. Let's not unbox it further because then I'll have to leave a hand and do it. What do we have here? I would say it's rather over-engineered to pack a couple of stands. You do not have to spend this kind of effort on packing these metal bits, which are excellent, but it's a good thing that he puts this kind of an effort. Okay, that's really well packed. I'm unable to tear it open. Okay, so there we go. There's a side stand. And this must be the center stand, and tell you very honestly, I do not want to unpack it because it's such a hassle. This guy has done some very good packing, which is really difficult to open, but kudos to him. Very professionally packed. And it's important that the things that you buy reach to you pretty safe and sound, because at the end of the day you need to get what you pay for. So pretty phenomenal packing, I would say, and I'm in no mood to open it. Okay, there you get a glimpse. That's the center stand. So that almost concludes the spare shopping. Latest update is all the chassis and all the bits and bobs will come tomorrow. I was supposed to get it today, but I got stuck in something else. So I'll get those tomorrow, and then probably we'll start the build by next week. I have a couple of long weekends coming up, so hoping to finish all that by then. So that's the update. We have some awesome updates about the RD350. It had bad brakes, so we have got new brake pads, so I'll do a video on that. But this is the ultimate set of spares. Another thing that I need to get is a set of spokes for Pulsar. because that is what would suit the front wheels with the disc conversion into the Fiero disc conversion. So I'm looking forward to look around for that, but I checked couple of shops and it's not available there. So we have some tough times ahead. So if any of our viewers know if Pulsar front spokes are available brand new, let us know, so that let me know, so that I can go ahead and buy them. So that's it for today. Hope you have a great weekend. So we'll come up with new updates soon. Thanks a lot. Take care.